Hey, how's it going? So I am back. I am off to an 80s themed party tonight, and I thought I would show you kind of what I'm going to put together. So you can kind of see I'm half there. I've got the bling on, I've got my hair up. I'm feeling a little bit 80s punk. So I am going to put together a quick look for my friend's party, and I thought I'd film it and show you what I put together. So come in closer and let's get going. Alright, so I've already done the base and the brows. So I've kind of embraced the 80s bushy brow. We'll see how we go. Alright, so I'm going to prime my eyes. I'm going to use the Soft Ochre. I'm going to use the Soft Ochre paint pot. And we'll get into it. I love a dress-up party. It's like, I am like a huge introvert and I don't like going out most places. But you asked me to get dressed up. I'm like, yep, I'm coming. And I get more enjoyment out of the getting dressed up part than actually the party. But, no, I love it. Love getting dressed up. So got the base on. Now we're going to get into the look. So I think I'm going to go. I've pulled out the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place because it has those beautiful rainbow of colours in here. And I think I'm going to start off by putting a whole lot of pink through my crease. So I'm going to take the pink from this and we're just going to get started. The beauty of this, there's no subtlety in 80s makeup. We're going to make it bright. We're going to blow it out. And we're going to have fun with it. So I'm taking this quite high up to join with my brow, because that was kind of the style, and I'm going to bring it in close into my nose bridge as well. So I'm bringing it kind of out. It'll join up with the blush soon. Okay, so I'm going to go in now with the purple and put that in my actual crease area. I'm going to take that purple down onto my outer V. And the beauties of 80s looks is it's not meant to be beautifully well blended. Well, that's my excuse and I'm sticking to it. I'm in a rush, I'm actually late. So, I'm like, ah well. So I'm going to take my handy dandy glitter glue and I'm going to put that on the front 2/3 of my lid. And I'm then going to take this goldy pink shimmer in the Zulu palette and I'm just going to, the Zulu palette. So, and I'm going to put that on my finger and I'm just going to press it on my eyelid. So I'm just going to use a brush just to get into the inner corner and tidy up top part. A bit of that purple just to blend them together. Now it's kind of sad. I'd be happy to wear this look anyway. I'm like, I actually like it. I'm going to run a little bit of black liner across the top. Nothing too much, but I'm actually going to wear falsies tonight, so a little bit of black liner to hide the band. Okay, so I've done that. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to go into a little Napoleon Purtis quad that I've got, and it's the Prismatic iQuad 6. And I just want this royal blue down here and it's a matte. And I am going to do something with that. Okay, so I'm going to take that royal blue and we're going to do it across the bottom of the eye. So I'm using a tiny little shader brush, smudge brush. We're going to run this blue up underneath and out past that wing that I made with the liner. So I'm going to run a little bit of my e.l.f. Teal gel eyeliner in my waterline. Okay, I'm going to go off and put on mascara and my lashes, and I'll be back. Okay, lashes are on, mascara's on. Let's get into the blush. I'm not even going to try and pretend to be subtle. I'm going to go in with that pink. And I may regret it, but why not? Okay, so I'm going to take that on a stippling brush, and let's start draping this blush. So taking it up into the temple area. Now I'm going to go in with a little bit of that shimmer that we used on the lid. And add that. So the question is, do I want pink or purple lips? So I've got some varieties here. I've got a coral. I've got a purple, or I've got a hot pink. I think, I'm going to see what the purple looks like. So I used the Rimmel Run the Show 800, the only matte lipstick. Alright, so I used that. I've never used a Rimmel lipstick. I actually only bought it today. And it tastes like conditioner. I don't like it. It's not good. But what do you think for a rush job? Have a look. Okay, so one last hit with some setting spray. So I'm feeling totally extra now, so I'm off. It's time for me to go. If you haven't already, subscribe. If you haven't already, subscribe. Leave a comment down below. All that good stuff. Tell me whether you think I nailed it tonight. I don't know. And as always, remember, be kind, be strong, and be a warrior. I'll see you later. Bye.